From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 29th question of NECO 2025 is a word problem on simultaneous equation. It says Emeka and Bimbo's ages were added up to be 28 years. 5 years ago, Emeka was twice as old as Bimbo. Find their present ages respectively. So we start by saying let their present ages be x and y. And so since their age is added up to be 28, x plus y is 28. 5 years ago, Emeka was x minus 5. And we are told that Emeka was twice as old as Bimbo. Emeka's age 5 years ago was twice. Bimbo's 5 years ago was y minus 5. And so can solve this simultaneously. So we have x plus x minus 5 equals 2y minus 10. If I take this to the left hand side, I have x minus 2y equals minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5. So if I call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. So I can subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 minus 2. This s is gone. Y minus 2y is plus 3y. And 28 minus 5 is 33. So I can divide both sides by 3. So that my y is 11. And so to find what s is, I can substitute y equals 11 in equation 1. I have x plus 11 equals 28. And my x will be 28 minus 11. And this is 17. Therefore, Emeka's age is 17 and Bimbo's age is 11, which is B. Thank you for watching.